Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Ethernet connected but no internet access and LAN wired. The first method, go to Settings and look for it in the search bar and then head to Network and Internet. Click Ethernet. Click Network and then enable private and then disable metered connection. The second method is to type on the search bar control panel and search for it to enter the control panel of your PC. Go to Network and Internet. Then select Network and Sharing Center. On there, click on Change Adapter Settings. Right-click on the Ethernet and then click on Properties. Click Internet Protocol version 4 and then click Properties. Click Use the following DNS server addresses and type 8888 and 8844 on the server 1 and then the second server, and then hit OK when you're done. And of course you need to restart your PC for it to work. The third method is to go to Settings again. Click on Update and Security. Then click Troubleshoot. Click Additional Troubleshoot. Run the troubleshooter for internet connection. Then troubleshoot my internet connection. If there is no problem, exit the troubleshoot tool and then head to method 4. Go to Settings and then click Network and Internet. Click Network Reset and then Reset Now. And yes to confirm, and you will be signed out of your PC. You have to restart it to apply the changes. Head to Device Manager and expand Network Adapters. Right-click on the Internet adapter and then click Update Driver. Click Search Automatically and then wait for it. Next, type Device Manager again. Hit Network and Adapters and then right-click on your Internet adapter and click Uninstall Device. Then click Uninstall. Right-click on Network Adapter again and then click on Scan for hardware's changes. And if the problem persists, you should fix your internet externally out of your PC or laptop. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.